And that's it for Flairco's mixology and working. Shit.
Should look like this.
Thank you for watching Flairco's mixology and working flair for the working bartender. My name's Ice Cube. All right. And that's it for Flairco's mixology and just like that, right into the glass, even on the side of the glass.
I was trying to change my focus.
Okay, here you go. This is take 4, isn't it? Sorry.
Oh. C'est la vie! Stuck with it. Ooh, very good.
On the next program, we're going to be showing you exhibition flair, so you can throw big things in the air and screw up your lines all day long. Remember to practice your flair moves at home. And last but not least, we put the glass over top of the beer, bring them both over together, and let it spill out all over the place. Makes a real great mess and completely wastes the beer. Your guests love it, and the bar managers just think that that's fantastic. Make sure you use really warm beer to get it to foam up really good. Leave it out in the car or something if you need, but it has to foam up really, really good if you want to get a good foam and a good spill. And that's it for Flairco's mixology and flair for the working bartender. Remember to take pride in your drinks and practice your low-risk, high-impact moves at home. On the next video, we're going to be discussing exhibition flair that you can do behind the bar, as well as show-stopping moves that will attract people to the bar. My name's Dean Serneels, and thanks for watching.